Good afternoon. I am Kavita, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. First and foremost, I will thank the Unnata Foundation for arranging such a wonderful program for our students. And I congratulate the trainer, Mr. Mithun, for handling all the sessions enthusiastically, and all the participants, keep all the participants very active in all the 30 days. And for here I am coming here to tell the feedback about all the sessions. So here, when the first day when I am sending my students to the program, I told them, if when you are feeling bored, or when you are feeling this program is not useful for me in the sense, then you can contact me, and then I will make some arrangements for you. Like that way I have instructed my students. But till now they are very eagerly gone to the program, and enthusiastically participating all the sessions, and they told their confidence level have been increased now. And then they know the values of others. That is the main thing I want to convey here, because they treats everyone equally because of this program only. And they love their surroundings, and they know how to keep their surroundings in a good manner, and for environmental friendly. These are all the things they have learned from this session only. So thank you all, the people who are arranged this program, and the sponsors also. Thank you.